Hey guys, so we are on our way out to the pony space. We're pretty excited. This is our first day. It is only a couple minutes away from John's school, so we don't have to put any extra gas into it. And we're gonna see if they'll let us keep some other farm animals there. But for now, it's just getting us out of the house. It's giving us some chores to do, which is really important to me. It's important to me that the girls have animal chores every day, that we get out of the house, so we will show you what it looks like out there. Each of you have your own halter. Hey, pony. Good morning. So we have been here a week now, and we are finally making it onto these trails that are the reason why we moved to this particular expensive apartment. And it's actually pretty beautiful.
And he was like, you can just
very
tell,
pretty.
Like,
Welcome to Tulsa.
Kate would stay behind with us. Why are they playing right there? Why are they playing right there, Mom?
Football. Or rugby.
Why is rugby?
Kind of like football. Yep, tell her, pat it and tell her to pick it up. Get your feet under you so you can do what you're doing.
This is how I harvest. I have this up on a hook, and the clip comes undone easily. This is how everything's looking right now. I am out here to get spinach and Swiss chard to go with our tacos today. And there we go. This is enough for me to wilt for tacos. And they don't disturb whatever else is growing around them.
Yeah, like carrots.
But if you wait until the soil dries out, then it is either they break off or they just won't pull up at all.
They'll just pull up carrots and stuff.
Yeah, and we don't want to disturb the carrots because there's carrots in the understory.
Should I show them the carrots?
Yeah, you can show them carrots.
So, we have carrots in here. Let's see if I can find them. Unless they're only back here. Maybe can you find them? You see them? Oh, here it is. Somewhere. I don't know if these are carrots or not. Yeah, but here's a carrot. Oh, you did see it. 2 carrots. They're still not ready. So her name is Moonlight. She has 9 babies. 5, 8 whites and 4 not, and 4 blacks.
Okay, and we have all sorts of stuff in here for them. We have her food, which is a pellet, which is a commercial rabbit pellet. She has water and she has greens.
Yep.
And
She also has cardboard to keep her hawks.
She has cardboard to stand on. What are some of the other things that we feed them?
Crabapple and willow. Sometimes only a teensy little leaf of wormwood.
And why don't we give them more wormwood than that?
Because they'll have diarrhea and die.
Because wormwood is a strong anti-worm medicine, and it's not to be meant as just food, huh?
Yeah. So this is Princess Rosie. She would have had 3 if she hadn't had one outside the box. This is Daisy. She had 5.
Okay.